Okay, I'm out grabbing some last minute things because it's supposed to start snowing sooner today. So Jax is still asleep. Adrian and her friend are there, and Allie's there. It's like I let them all go down to the library, so why can't I leave them at home just for me to run and get, I had to go run and get a gift card. And I had to run and get more gift tags and tape because the kids want to help wrap presents. And I just had like 3 random strangers tell me Merry Christmas and God bless. And I'm like, I started to get tears. I'm like, I'm such a baby. But it's like having total strangers be so nice. Like everybody's doing the last minute hustle and bustle, and to have complete strangers be so nice. Is that an example of how crappy people are on a normal basis, that I'm in tears because I had a handful of random people be super nice today? I don't know. All right. I gotta get this last gift card and then get back home. I've literally been gone like 10 minutes, but Vlogmas Day 22. Okay, it's Vlogmas Day 22. I'm back home. I had to run and get a gift card and some cash out of the bank. Okay, Jax. And I stopped and got more tape and gift tags because the kids want to help wrap it. And so I have to make sure I have a ton of tape. But look what we did yesterday. We pretty much spent most of the day in here. Allie's room is all clean. Here, let me open up the curtain so we can see.
I want to put this on.
Look how clean it is. Jax, are you gonna do your mailbox? Buddy, we don't need that on right this second. Yeah, the carousel.
Looking for penguin. Oh, I don't know.
Allie, don't show it. Let Adrian and Jax look for him. All right, let's go do your mailbox.
Oh, I can't turn it off.
There. Okay.
Okay.
So we got Allie's room all clean. Her bed's all made. So today I have to clean up this dining room, and I have to make puppy chow, peppermint bark, and more chocolate chip cookies.
We still have to make it. It's a
What?
little bit.
Oh, he's in day 22. Because that's today. Today's the 22nd day. Santa Claus comes in 2 days.
2 and 2.
Yeah, on your advent. Jax, careful, you're gonna knock my things down. All right, go ahead, Jax.
Jax first.
Jax, go ahead. Youngest to oldest. And I got you guys too many things. So you guys each have, I think, 3 things today.
Jeez.
And Jax, look in your cup. You got a Spidey cup?
And
Okay, but there's something in your cup. Dump that out. Take it out of your thing. Look, it has Spidey and Spin and Ghost Spider. It's another magic wash rag. All right, Allie Bug. Oh my goodness.
Jax will go like that too.
Mom.
Yeah, I see that's Owlette. There should be 3 things in yours too, Allie. Yep, a lotion. That is watermelon ice. And Allie got a Ghost Spider magic towel. And what'd you get? A Minnie Mouse cup.
And now mine.
All right. Yeah, I went through and you guys had... So the next couple of days, you guys are going to have more than one thing.
Mom, I want a Goose Spider.
Okay.
You're the best mom ever.
Oh, thank you.
It's blue.
A blue one. I actually...
Where
You're getting a second one because I actually got you 2 blue ones. So you'll have another blue one coming. And a new face mask. So you got the scrubber thing yesterday and a face mask today. All right, there's mailboxes. What do you want to do? Advent calendars real quick?
Yeah.
Jackson, look at Mom. Put it in the trash. Put the wrappers in the
You
trash.
have to do it 2 and 2.
That's nice.
Okay.
My admin calendar at my dad, so I get to open them.
So you haven't opened any of them?
Not
Or just not for this week?
just not for this week.
Whoops, sorry. It's officially like Christmas time. Santa comes in 2 days. I have so much to do.
Man.
Okay, here, Jackson.
Save one right there.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Is that Owlette? Here, Jax.
Kind of ruined because everybody can't
Mama,
open
oh,
it.
Here. Allie. 2, 2. 2, 2.
I found
Don't pop this one, okay? Use it when you're mad and angry. Just sit there and squeeze it instead of getting in trouble. Here, Jackson, come open your advent calendar. Oh my gosh. Adrian, take this back.
Hey, Angie, look.
Put it back.
Hey, Angie, look.
Adrian, look. You have an here. Here, Jaxie. Jax, 22. 2, 2. Looky.
Oh,
Right here. 2, 2.
I'm looking for my on the bell. Fix that diaper.
Well, open this and then I'll change your diaper. Just open this real quick. Open this real quick and I'll take your diaper off, okay? 2, 2. Look, see the tap? Yeah, right there.
I need help.
Okay, go ahead. It's okay.
25. I thought she had
I want
number
to
25.
pop out.
No, just
It's a little birdhouse.
here. Choo choo.
I
What? Okay, so just hold it in your hand. Oh, like this. Hold your hand out. Let's see.
That's Christmas.
Let's see. Oh, Black Panther. Okay. Put that trash in the trash can.
House.
Alibug, what'd you get? What'd you get? Birdhouse?
I don't know.
That looks like a princess. It's Rapunzel, I think.
Maybe Rapunzel. There you go. We've got. Okay. Here. I will. I'll take your diaper off right now. Eat your chocolate. Huh?
He's worried about me.
What about Brielle?
Oh, he said,
She's
where's Brielle's at home?
Oh, she doesn't. Hers is at home. At her dad's. Okay. 12:36. I could not go to Dash and Joey's to get a gift card and not get an acai bowl. I haven't had one in so long. Oh my gosh. This makes me so excited. I'm going to eat this and then clean off the dining room table and get things going. sprinkles was like freaking cement. This thing's giving me a headache. It's for little heads.
Oh no.
So my table's cleaned off and all set up. So we have a tray of the Friends gingerbread Central Perk. Adrian told me to get rid of it though, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue on in the kitchen. Alright, it's 2:47. I'm making some buffalo chicken. Oh my gosh. Yeah, buddy. As soon as I press record, I've been filmed all day. So I got the cream cheese in there. I'm about to spill the shredded cheese all over the floor. You're on the tripod, that's why this isn't working very well. Alright, so we got cream cheese softening. What did you get?
Water.
Okay. And then I've got the 2 cans of shredded chicken. A little over 1/4 cup of the hot sauce. 1/2 cup of ranch. A handful of shredded cheddar. Oh my gosh, that scraping sound, sorry. I'm just gonna try and mix this up a little bit. Usually I soften the cream cheese a little bit more. Well, actually a lot of times I make it in a pan and then bake it in the oven, but I'm gonna be baking and doing housework, so I'm just doing it this way. So I'm just gonna throw it in the crock pot, sprinkle some cheese on top, and let it go till it's heated through. Alright, listen. You're gonna stick this in here and scoop out a full cup, okay? I said we need 4 of each. Yep, okay, then dump. Okay, and then dump it in the bowl. Alright, Adrian. Fill up a scoop.
I should have went Brielle with me, because she's younger than me.
Oh my gosh.
It's fine.
You were right beside me. We're just working in a row.
Yeah. Mine doesn't even do it.
3. Go ahead, Allie. Get number 4.
Careful.
Put on. Nope, you gotta fill it.
Sorry.
Put it in there again. Oh my gosh. Okay. Jeez. Alright, there's 4 in that one.
There's a TikTok we used to this when we were dancing.
Yeah.
It's youngest to oldest.
It's just whoever's in right beside me, okay? Jax is just in there chilling out, having hot dogs.
Yeah.
Alright, Adrian. Ew, what is this? There's rice. It looks funny.
Ooh.
But honestly,
Here, there's soup, please.
that tastes weird.
I always got the
Turn it sideways so you're not smashing all the cereal.
youngest to oldest.
Shake it into there. Aren't they usually, I thought the rice ones were usually lighter. I guess not.
I thought
Corn
those
ones
were
are my
the same.
favorite. Where'd you go? You went, and then Adrian, then Brielle. We're going in order. Now it's your turn. Okay, but pull it out of there slowly so it doesn't fly all over the place. Okay. Put it in the bowl. Alright.
My turn?
Whatever. We just need 1 more scoop. Okay, so that's 8 cups. And the recipe calls for 9, so I'm just gonna do, some of these are overflowing. We'll do a little bit of that. And a little bit more of this one. I have to make more chocolate chip cookies because you guys ate them all. Okay. So it's all mixed up.
Should I
but
see it
hold
with
on.
my hands? Or is that like...
Well, yeah. Well, just hold on a second. Okay, put the cereal now in a different bowl. I have to put the chocolate chips, the peanut butter, and the butter to melt it. And then we're gonna pour it over there, mix it around. Then you guys use your hands and scoop it around with that and with powdered sugar.
I'm excited.
So if you guys want, yeah, everybody go ahead and wash your hands with the dial soap because it's antibacterial. Allie, go wash your hands.
What we have?
Gotta go mix the butter, peanut butter, and chocolate. Allie, it's fun.
Ow.
No, wait. Just like... I want to eat one.
Don't put any in your mouth, Adri.
I'm not. Take it. Allie, just let
Allie,
her
bud.
hand.
Allie, if you're gonna help the game, your hands. We have to do it before the chocolate heart. You gotta try and make sure the chocolate's on all of the cereal.
Careful. You don't want to crunch it.
Yeah.
Just let them slowly fall. You just like getting the whole thing.
I'm like, that's your hand.
No, like
I was going like
this. You have to like. I'm kind of like putting in handfuls and rubbing
When it's all coated, let me know. Then we gotta add the powdered sugar.
You have to wash your hands all after.
Guys, look on my hand.
How about we take turns doing it?
No. I got it all the way up there. Awesome.
This is okay.
Mom, about we have to wash
It's okay. We will wash our hands when we're all done, okay?
Stop putting my hand, Angie.
Oh, Angie, stop.
It's like a moment on camera. I control it. One fell on my foot.
Stop. Stop. I think we're good.
It's joy.
We're not.
The whole
No, we're not.
thing.
Allie, you flung one up there.
Careful. Hey, relax. Okay, let's scoot it back a little bit so everybody can reach. Okay, just lift your hand so I can pour this in. Now we keep tossing around. Hold on, let me put the other half a cup in. We'll just keep tossing around so that everything's coated in the powdered sugar too.
Yay.
Oh, that feels so weird. It feels so cold. You two are like giving me no room to do it. Stop.
Stop. Stop it.
I'm over here like,
Stop it. Stop it.
alright girls, smile.
Cheese.
Yeah, looks like a chocolate covered donkey.
Here, Allie. Yeah, she was there. Oh gosh.
Make sure my mom keeps that clip in, you guys.
Allie was like, careful, you just crunched all of it. Careful. Yeah, crunch it.
Yeah, Allie, don't crunch. Look, use your fingertips just like this and just kind of lift up and toss it around.
But I am doing that.
Okay, just making sure you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Kind of scrape the bottom of the bowl. There's like a bunch of,
Okay.
oh, that was way too much. Oh well. Yeah, Allie, don't play with it. Toss it around with the cereal. Adri, take your hands and scrape them down the side of the bowl to get underneath. Like the stuff on the bottom probably does not have powdered sugar.
The chocolate's so warm, but the powdered sugar's so cold.
Why is it?
Said the chocolate's so warm, but the powdered sugar's so cold.
Yeah,
My
okay, wait.
hands.
Okay, Brielle, take your hands like this way, down the bottom of the bowl. Yeah, scoop it from the bottom and kind of lift it up and toss it on top.
Oh, so like
I
this?
gotta do it.
Yeah, so all the stuff on the bottom.
Ah, guys.
Everything in the bottom. You toss around the stuff on top, okay?
Oh, we don't have all of them covered, Mom.
So keep tossing. You don't, what are you doing? Oh, one fell out.
Yeah.
Okay.
That looks so odd just in there.
Yeah, it's so odd when all of these are like powder.
actually got it in her.
Oh my gosh, this is super messy. This is messy.
My mouth.
I should have not.
The best part, okay, Allie, watch it. The best part is when it's all tossed and coated. What? Okay. After it's all tossed around, then you can eat any bits that are stuck to your hands. Adrian, don't do that. That's gross.
It's not a mine.
You can do that when you're all done. Oh my god, I should.
It's not sticking to my hair. This is super messy.
Here, guys, wait. Get your hands out real fast so I can do this.
I drilled some at my own.
I didn't. Brielle did. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Oh my god, I got it all over me.
What are you doing?
I'm covering Allie in snow.
Making it more messy.
Okay.
That's what she just did.
Okay, enough, because nobody washed the arms. Okay, you guys are done. Now you have to go in the bathroom, wash your hands, or lick it off your hands. Now come on, Alex, because this is going to be all over the freaking house now.
I can't do that.
I want to eat one.
Okay,
Can I eat one?
yeah, go ahead and try it. See if it's good. Allie, you want to try one? Okay, but don't walk right here. I'm about to use a wet
I don't have any.
homemade better than store-bought.
Mm-hmm.
It's super easy to make. Try one? Alright, now go in the bathroom and wash up, okay? Don't shake them, just take it to the bathroom, Ellie.
I know.
Jackson, you want to try a piece
No.
of the puppy chow stuff?
No, I can't open it. What, this one?
Yeah, the girls just made it. Here, try it. That's powdered sugar. That's all sugar on the table. The girls made a big mess. Okay, just. Is that yummy? Is it yummy? You want another piece? Go ahead. Can you reach it? Okay, yep, don't make a big mess with it though. Just.
I just make it one bite.
Hmm.
I just make it one bite.
Yep, we have to wash your hands when you're all done. That's what the girls are doing. They're in the bathroom washing their hands. Oh, don't get it all over the chair. Oh my god, I just washed all the chairs and everything in here.
All of that.
You all clean?
I don't want to.
Here, you want another one?
No. No, it's pretty.
No? Alright, get down. Because we're not sitting at the table. I have to clean this whole mess up now.
Go to that.
Adrian! Adrian, you messed up with babies. Clean up all the baby mess in Allie's room.
We can.
Let's play Hawaii
And
babies.
Priya, do you like my gingerbread house?
Yeah.
Shit, but I can't do that yet.
I put it into one pile.
Thank you. I can't crush up the candy canes till after the cookies are done though.
Look, it fell off.
Allie's adding the chocolate chips in. Are they all in?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna turn it up so they get mixed. Ready?
Let's see.
Alright.
Hey.
Let's give it a taste and make sure it's good. Alright, I'm getting a fingerful. Go ahead. Did you even get any? Here, use a different finger. Use that finger now.
This?
Yeah. Here. Stick that finger out. Curve your other finger. Bend your other fingers so you can just get a scoop. Oh my god. There. Let's see. Is it good? You do good? Yeah, okay. That's the face you're gonna make. Okay. The girls made the puppy chow. They just helped me make up the chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm cleaning the beater before I bake any. I just went to move my mixer and I didn't have the top locked down. And it was up. See my thumb? I just flung down and pinched my finger in there. So I'm eating some cookie dough while I wait for the burn to go away. I'm still waiting for the snow. Alright. Dang, that hurt. Look at it, it's purple. Alright. The first batch of cookies. Well, this is the third batch total, but the first batch of this third batch. Got some more in there. Kids are all upstairs playing school, I guess. And I'm just add it in the kitchen. Hold this. Are you even on there?
It's kind of
Hey, you remember this dance?
heavy.
It's really heavy. You're gonna do this. Grab it and hold on to that sides. You're gonna do this.
Oh, so loud. I'd rather roll it.
There isn't. They got all we got is that blackened.
Hold on. What?
We have that blackened.
We don't have any chicken tenders or nuggets or anything in either freezer.
Nope.
Okay, go where the big pieces are.
We got French fries.
Smells good in here now.
Okay, do some of these bigger pieces over here. And it's gonna put little tiny. Did you get your finger? You okay? Okay, so you might have to run down to get a bag of
It breaks
chicken.
my back.
Okay, Casey, don't do it. Allie, don't do it crazy. Yeah, you don't want them to be crumbs. You want some big pieces. There, yours is done.
How about I go down and get taquitos?
Lick the
I
ground.
don't want to. Don't.
I said lick the ground.
Wait a minute, who in the bag?
No, it's my turn.
Okay, just open a little bit of the bag so we don't pop the bag. I mean, you're gonna get a little bit of holes, but you want them. You want kind of big pieces.
Allie was sitting?
You can go wherever you're at.
Yeah.
Oh, but just don't make them crumbs. Like you want some big pieces, so when you eat the peppermint bars, you bite into chunks. Yeah, we don't want taquitos.
We don't? I feel like I'm gonna smash my finger.
Well, you shouldn't. It's a rolling pin. It's made to roll across the counter.
Whoa, that was cool. That was loud. So loud.
How about this big one right here and then
Yeah,
in the middle? And that should be good. That should be good.
It won't go. Oh, jeez.
Okay, turn it the other way.
I got it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
All right, those are done. All right.
Rage room now. Right?
Right.
Oh,
geez.
rage. I rage quitted on that
I
one.
thought Jackford loved. Stick in the double. Here he comes now. Okay, wait, because now you're flinging it. Go, Jay.
I call her a dork.
Well, she's just been a little bit extra. Yeah, him and Jack's upstairs watching Spider-Man, I guess. Okay, look at it and see if there's any really big pieces anywhere.
Yeah. A bunch. Like this.
Mom, look.
Because you want some chunks, but you don't want like a big, huge, good stuff.
Okay, I think you're good.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, Jay, you'll have to suck this up with your shot vac. But Avery, don't roll it all around the place. Give me
Can I use the vacuum?
the vacuum's upstairs.
I said,
Okay, it's 6:35. Brielle and Allie are laying out the pretzels and putting Rolos on them. I'm starting the peppermint bark. And this is the last thing I have to make. I have to make 2 batches of this yet tonight. So I'm trying to hurry so I can get upstairs and start wrapping presents. Jay just ran to the store to get chicken nuggets to make that and french fries. And yeah. Alright, we're done in the kitchen. And now Allie Bug is wrapping the stuff that she picked out at the Santa shop. The secret Santa shop at school. Huh, you wrapping presents?
Yeah, this one's for Adrian.
This one's for Adrian.
Can you hear me talk?
Yeah, just for a minute. I'm not gonna have like that. Okay, then you're just gonna fold this over like that. And put your tape. Yep. Tape that. Tape this flap down. And then the sides, we'll kind of tuck them in.
And then we have to put.
And then, yep, we'll put a piece of tape like right here.
Okay.
Yep. If you put it like right here, it'll hold all 3 sections down. Good job, Allie. And then we fold this side in. And Mommy hates wrapping presents, like absolutely hates wrapping presents.
Why?
Because I just do not like it. I've never liked it. Alright, here's your tape. Alright, So tape this flap down somewhere.
I wish you like that.
Wait, right over here in the middle, kind of. Okay. There we go. The first gift of Christmas. Oh wait, we gotta make a tag for it. Or here, I can make a tag. Do you think you can tape this one?
Yeah, but I wanted to make the tag.
Okay, but it's gonna take us forever if you do all of it, honey. Because, oh my God. And you have to write small on the tags. Okay, just hang on. Should tape this down on here.
Okay.
Well, you have to make sure the tape's on the wrapping paper. Yeah, half on the wrapping paper, half on the present. Oh wait, now it's all on the. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is gonna take forever. Here's your tape. Okay. Yeah, tape that one down. Perfect. Yep, that's just how you do it. Okay, hold on. What tag do you want for Adri's? Here, we'll get these tags out.
Do you want for Angie? Do you know which one I'm gonna pick?
I have no idea which one you're gonna pick. But you have to write super small on tags. Okay, lucky. It's 2 page. Ooh, glittery tags and everything.
I want
Is it
to
just 2 pages? There's 3. Oh, there's 3. Okay. Here, pick a tag for Adri's.
I think she will like the penguin.
Wait, don't tear it off. You have to write on it first.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Okay.
And my teacher used the Sharpie.
She used the Sharpie.
Yeah, so.
Okay, so on the penguin one, do you think you can write real small?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, my battery's flashing already. What the heck? My battery's flashing, so I'll just have to show you when we're all done, I guess. Oh. Alex. Okay, from Alex. And then up here, you have to write A-D-R-I for Adri. That says to, so it's to Adri from Alex. So right up here in this space, you'll write A-D-R-I.
A?
Yep. D. R. I. Perfect, Allie. Look at that. It's your first year writing out your own Christmas tags. I love it. And here, put it on her present.
Okay.
There we go. First present. Good job. Okay, and we'll set it right over here.
Jackson's.
We have to finish taping his too.
Yeah.
Here's your tape.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh shoot. I didn't do that very well. Oh well, that's okay. He's not gonna know. He's not gonna know that I messed up the wrapping paper. Here, you'll have to just stick the wrapping paper or the tape like right here. Yep, right in the middle of all that. Because Mommy didn't really make it long enough.
I made it better, so I just.
Alright. Here.
Just like this movie.
I love this movie.
You do too?
Yeah. Alright, which tag do you want for Jax?
Which tag? I think you like the sleigh.
Ooh, you think so? Okay, so right up here, you'll put J-A-X.
Yeah, I know her name.
Okay, yep, right up here in this space.
J A X.
And then down here, you put Alex. Just believe. 2 Jags from Allie. Good job. All right.
Well, but he doesn't see that.
It's okay. He does. I'm just going to fix it because your J was backwards. I have to make sure it goes to the right person. Here, move your hair. Allie, it's okay. It's okay. Here, stick it on this present.
Thank you.
Make sure it's
I shouldn't have put it like there.
It's okay, honey. Alright, sit over there by Adri's. That one's wrapped and ready to go. Alright, who's we wrapping next?
This one would be a hold one.
Oh wait, let's do Dad's. Let's get Dad's. So if he comes up here, he won't see his. What wrapping paper? Same one?
I think penguin next.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, they've been waiting all day, and it's finally here. Careful, Jax.
Jax!
Buddy, you're not in snow pants. You're in
regular
regular clothes. Yeah, we didn't put snow pants on. We can wear snow pants tomorrow.
Ooh, look at it.
Will you brush him off, though? He's going to be freezing. You're in regular pajamas, actually. Whoa, look at it blowing. Yay, it's finally here. The snow and the wind and the cold. I know, it's blowing down the street.
We're having white Christmas.
See, the main thing is it's going to be blowing and super cold, like way below zero. We're only supposed to get like 2 to 4 inches of snow, I think, total.
They changed 3 to 5.
I just looked a second ago. I only saw 2 to 4.
How big is an inch again?
An inch is like that much. So probably like this much. Like on the grass. But like we'll shovel the sidewalk. So the sidewalks and like the streets will get plowed. Oh, I wonder if they plow this alley. Probably.
If they don't, then we can go sledding.
Careful, Jax. Okay, wait. What time is it? So I can do like a... Right there. 9:22. So 9:22. It's snowing. It's blowing. The ground's pretty much covered for the most... Yeah, so it's pretty much... The ground's pretty much covered. Oh my God, I'm changing my name. It's finally starting to snow.
No.
You can't see out that way. We're going downstairs to check out the snow. We just wrapped a bunch. Well, not a bunch. We wrapped all Allie's Santa's shop. Present. Okay. Look, it's coming down finally. We've been waiting all day.
We've had snow, but this is like the first probably
Yay, look.
accumulated snow.
What? It hasn't accumulated yet. Jaxie, put your hood up.
Oh, he's got his boots on.
They're gonna get Jackson. Those are slippers, buddy. Those aren't
They're gonna
shoes.
get ruined,
Oh my god, they'll want to throw them in the dryer. Oh my god, I can't do it all. Okay.
Yeah, you
Look,
can't
it's
go out
really
there in your
blowing.
boots.
Hold on. I'll be back in, Mom.
Okay, buddy. Yay! Wrapping presents. Christmas movie on. Fresh baked cookies, and it's snowing. Yay! What'd you say? Okay, but don't throw snow at people, Allie, but not right now. I'm in socks. I don't know, because then your guys' clothes are going to get all wet. What, Jax?
I won't fall down.
The slide?
I won't fall down.
Well, it'll probably be slippery. Just hang on. Jackson, there's a slide over here. I never even put this freaking lantern back
It's
together.
okay if the coat gets wet, right?
Yeah. Oh, is that Adri's coat?
Yeah. I didn't wear a coat here. Because I just was that back right before I came here. Ready to roll.
I can't get this thing in there. Yay, it's snowing and blowing. Allie, get up. Your pants are going to get all wet. It's too heavy for you to pull, Allie. Brush your butt off. And you're not in snow boots either. You're in regular boots, so your feet are going to get wet, Allie.
Mom.
What?
You doing?
Okay. It's cold, it's snowy, it's 10:10. I just made this cup of hot cocoa with some crushed peppermint or some crushed candy canes on top. It looks delicious. Yummy. Okay, it's still Vlogmas day 22, but it is 1 in the morning. The kids helped me till midnight wrap all the presents that are for the rest of the family. It is currently 16 degrees. I'll show you. Hey Siri. What's the temperature?
It's 16 degrees outside.
Yeah, so it's 16 degrees. Light snow and showers. Chance of rain 100%. There's not rain when it's 16. Feels like temperature. The low for tonight is -6. Is that regular or wind chill?
-6.
Yeah, that's the low for tonight. But is
I
that
think-
with wind chill or regular?
No, that's regular.
Hey Siri. What's the wind chill?
The wind chill is currently -2 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. We have winter storm warning. It's been snowing and blowing. Yeah, so this says it right now. It's 11. Well, this is Wapak. We don't live in Wapak. 11. It feels like -9. Snow continuing through 7 a.m. It's going to snow from there. Whoa, look at that. It said we're supposed to get 2 to 4 inches total. Next 12 hours, next 48 hours is 2 inches. Where's the hourly?
They already put a level 1 in Allen County.
And then 8 a.m. is just wind all day. The wind chill is going to be negative. The lowest it shows on here is -5. But anyway. So the kids are in bed, so now him and I are going to get started unwrapping kids' presents. It's not going to get done tonight. We're going to do this again tomorrow night.
No.
So I'm already exhausted. Like I said, it's 1:10 a.m. But all right, let's get started. I'm about to put on Santa Baby, and let's get to it.